Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about record division operation. Example number 1, you have 70 divided by 5. This shape of division is called long division. We are using long division for dividing big number over any numbers. Example number 1, you have 70 divided by 5. In long division, we have 4 main steps. The first step is short divide. After short divide, you have multiply, and after multiply, you have subtract, and then after subtract, you have bring down. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step, divide. So, in this example, you have to start from the first number at left. You have to start from the 7, and the first step is divide. 7 divided by 5, it means how many 5s are in 7? We have only 1. After divide, you have multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. After multiply, you have subtract. You have to subtract these two numbers together. 7 minus 5 is 2. After subtract, you have bring down. You have to bring down 0. Now you have 20. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step, divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4. After divide, you have multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. And then after multiply, you have subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then after subtract, we have bring down. But after this 0, we don't have any numbers to bring down it. We have to stop here, and then we have check step for long division. But before check step, I have to identify the numbers. This result in long division is called quotient, and this number is called divisor, and the big number is called dividend, and this number is called remainder. For check step, in check step, we're gonna know our quotient is correct or incorrect, and in check step, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient and then add the product with the remainder. So for check step, you have to multiply divisor by the quotient. 14 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. We have to regrouping. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. And then you have to add with remainder. Remainder is 0. 70 plus 0 equal to 70. Now in check step, you have 70 and the dividend is 70. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 2, you have 66 divided by 3. The first step is divide. You have to start from this 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. In long division, you have to know the multiplication table, because when you divide 6 by 3, you have to think which number multiplied by 3 equal to 6 is 2. But if you don't know the multiplication table, you can use this way. For example, you have 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, you have to draw 3 circles and then divide 6 equally over these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have to look at the last circle. In the last circle we have 2 lines. It means 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. After divide, you have multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. After multiply, you have subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. After subtract, we have bring down. We have to bring down 6. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step, divide. 6 divided by 3 again equal to 2. After divide, you have multiply. 2 times 3 equal to 6. After multiply, you have subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. After subtract, you have bring down. But after this 6, we don't have any numbers to bring down it. So you have to stop here. And then you have check step. In check step, you have to multiply the divisor by the quotient. 22 multiplied by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And then we have to add this product with 0. 66 plus 0 equal to 66. So the dividend is 66. And the check step, we got 66. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 3, we have 91 divided by 7. 9 divided by 7 means how many 7s are in 9? We have only 1. After divide, you have multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. After multiply, you have subtract. You have to subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 7 is 2. After subtract, you have bring down. You have to bring down 1. Now you have 21. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step, divide. 21 divided by 7, it means which number multiplied by 7 is equal to 21 or close to 21. We have exactly 3. 3 multiplied by 7, exactly we get 21. 3 times 7 equal to 21. After multiply, we have subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. After subtract, we have bring down. But after this one, we don't have any numbers to bring down it, so we have to stop here. For check step, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient. 13 times 7. 7 times 3 equal to 21. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. And then we have to add with the remainder is 0. 91 plus 0 equal to 91. So the dividend is 91. And the check step, we got 91. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 4, we have 96 divided by 6. The first step is divide. 9 divided by 6 equal to 1. After divide, you have multiply. 1 times 6 equal to 6. After multiply, we have subtract. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. After subtract, we have bring down. You have to bring down 6. Now we have 36. After bring down, you have to go back to the first step, divide. 36 divided by 6, it means which number multiplied by 6 equal to 36? We have 9. Sorry, because it's 9 multiplied by 6, we get 54. 54 is greater than 36. So 9 is 2 more. The suitable number is, which number multiplied by 6 equal to 36 is 6. After divide, you have multiply. 6 times 6 equal to 36. After multiply, you have subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then for check step, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient. 16 times 6. 6 times 6 equal to 36. You have to regroup in. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. And then we have to plus with the remainder. 96 plus 0 equal to 96. So the dividend is 96. It means our quotient is correct. Example number 5, you have 96 divided by 8. We have to write 96 inside the long division and then 8 outside. The first step is divide. 9 divided by 8. It means how many 8s are in 9? 1 times 8 equal to 8. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. And then you have to bring down 6. Now you have 16. 16 divided by 8. It means which number multiplied by 8 equal to 16? We have 2. 2 times 8 equal to 16. And then you have to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then for check step, you have to multiply 8 by 12. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So we have 96, and then the dividend is 96. It means our quotient is correct. Last example, example number 6. We have 39 divided by 3. We have to write 39 inside the long division and 3 outside. And then the first step is divide. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. After multiply, we have subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. And then after subtract, we have bring down. We have to bring down 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. After divide, you have multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. And then you have to subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then for check step, you have to multiply 3 by 30. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. So we got 33, and then the dividend is we got 39, and the dividend is 39. It means our quotient is correct.